away my people, it don't happen again, it don't burst, it don't scatter. Make una carry una jokote sit down come lis ten to this update, my people. I know say most of una know this man, Apostle Dr Kassy Chukwu, aka the lion fire, aka the old firewood akarawo, when ass not dey fit dey break. Not be small matter, everywhere don scatter. My people, Apostle Dr Kassy don drag Muareen Badejo come out to not be small thing. He say Muareen Badejo have hand for this attack when they attacking Papa. Not be small thing. He say may police people may they invite Muareen Badejo. Say Muareen Badejo say he hands there. Say Muareen Badejo say he dey obodo yibo. He send people go the video Apostle Johnson Suleman has. Say they must ask Muareen Badejo question. My people not be smart, He said because Muareen Badejo they threaten Apostle Suleman severally. Say Muareen Badejo say he must bring Apostle Suleman down. Say make they invite Muareen Badejo. My people may not come be say I too talk. Make una listen to Apostle Dr Kassy for where he dey talk. Make una regade.
We are here today to address the Muareen bandits. First of all, I want to say may the soul of those who lost their life during the attack, may their soul rest in peace. Amen. And I want to assure the whole world that Apostle Dr. Johnson Suleman, my father who I know very well, is going to do everything to reach the family. Okay, we're understanding. So now I came out and said few things that Muareen bandits have hand in the attack of Apostle Johnson Suleman. You know, a lot of people like, hey, why will you attack Muareen? Hey, this, that, hey, blah, 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 blah. So people came and was talking. Now, Muareen has forgotten that we have some videos she made where she was saying anything it will take her, that Apostle Johnson Suleman must go down. Apostle Johnson Suleman must go down. He must do this. Some of you who followed her, the fans, I hope some of you people are here because this is not as if maybe I'm allergic. You understand? That is what she has been saying. She will do everything possible to bring Apostle Johnson Suleman down. She will do this, she will do that, she will do this and this, she will do that and that. And finally, she tried. She tried. I know she has been in pain since we brought down that useless page where she used in blackmailing and promoting lies. So Muareen bandit has been the one threatening Apostle Suleman. So I think the Nigeria police should do the needful to call Muareen to order, or is it to call her to order, to come and clear her name. Let Muareen bandit just come and clear her name because she has been the one that has been on social media threatening Apostle Johnson Suleman. I think you don't have anything good to do. Ambassador Imalex, this and this. You that have your time because you are talking trash. Yeah, Ambassador Imalex, you are talking good. Thank you. Thank you. May what happen to you and your family. Yeah, may your family, your full family be attacked. Okay? Yes, and may you people not even escape it. That is the only way I can reply you that my man will be sweet. Don't say me no get respect for people. If I respect you, no one respect yourself, so I'll give unto you. So may what happened to Apostle Johnson Suleman happen to you, and may you be a victim of it. That is very simple. That's my simple prayer for you. Let it happen to you. You hear what I'm saying now? Alex, let it happen to you. Now you know if it is laughable. So you put your plan didn't work now. It's so painful that the people who are innocent you will gun them down. So people like Alex should be investigated because they are a Muareen agent. Yes, now we no, it's not matter of we report the we have done that. So she should come out and clear herself that the accusation they are bringing on me it's not me it's not this hey, you understand? So let her come and clear it. Let her come and clear her name. Are you aware she have church? She have a church. Muareen Bandejo have a church. A registered church.
You see?
She have a registered church.
Sometimes she will do program. She will do some program in her bedroom. She will do some program here, always after Apostle Suleman. There was a time I would not do, and anytime somebody was saying that, okay, let me not do something to amuse myself. I know I will go to her and say Apostle Suleman. Even to the extent, if say she get chance, she will go inside the toilet or the soccer away while Suleman the shit, make you go find out how the shit color.
Muareen came out many times, several times. On our platform, we have the video saying that she will attack Apostle Joshua Suleman. Were you people not here when Muareen, early this year, Muareen sent people to go and video Apostle Joshua Suleman's house? And she played it on her page. She sent people to go and video it. And she came online and said, yes, I sent people to go and video. They video the compound. If she can send people to go and video the compound and send to her in her bro, she can as well send assassin after Apostle Joshua Suleman. She's #1 suspect. Yes, she's the team leader. She's the team leader of what is the name? What his boyfriend? What did that boyfriend name again? Reed George. So they can team up because Apostle Suleman is a threat to them. So what do we do to break Apostle Joshua Suleman down? This so-called Muareen Bandejo came out, said she will do anything. She will bring Apostle Suleman down. She will bring Apostle Suleman down. Muareen, you are a wicked person. If you can send assassin to go after a man, his wife, his children, it's not today you have been doing it. It's not today. Have you not been posting Apostle Joshua Suleman children picture on your page? Have you not been posting the picture of his wife? What has the wife done to you? Did the wife offend you also? The woman has never one day come out to even talk to you. It is her head that will kill you, Muareen. You will not die well. The plan you plan. Some of you are coming here. There's no need for us to talk. So we could have talked how which the evil plan you people plan to have carried out worked. We would have not come out and talk. Yes, now we should not talk. We should keep quiet. We should keep quiet. When Muareen was bragging, I will do this, I will do that, I will bring down Apostle Suleman, I will do this, hey, he will go down, he's just a small rat, I can take care of him, I will do this, I will do that. Were you people not there? Now they watch like photo, now not there. When Muareen, they do all these things, but you people kept quiet. She has sent assassin now to appease her spirit because the only way she can be happy is for Apostle Joshua Suleman to die. Just imagine how she succeeded. He got pain now, say she go kill innocent people. People don't know what people don't know too of the reason why she's carrying grudges about Apostle Joshua Suleman. She carry Otobo. Otobo don't help her, she don't drop her. She don't drop her. Make I tell you now one thing. This was the same Otobo who was saying, yeah, I have the naked picture of Apostle Suleman, I have the video, I have this since 2017. Now don't they beg Otobo make it bring video and picture come and she knows she bring go. Gonna do a detailed this thing. She said she get the real video. Up to today, she not sent any video. And you people expect us, a man who has not done anything, because God is using this man. See, let me tell you, bloggers, let me tell you, people. Any Any blogger who have a personal hate for Apostle Joshua Suleman, I know they have to know. This my page, not be page where they for the call the one they call the Ben matter. We say it the way it is. They hear me so? If we want to avoid you, we avoid you. If we see good thing about you, we go post them. If you see do wrong, we'll see post them. How many of these people, if really they are genuine, how many of them has ever post the crusade of Apostle Joshua Suleman and say, Apostle Suleman heal people, heal the sick today, God used it to heal the sick, the blind, the lay, hey, the crusade was massive. Hey, well, he's doing well, he's doing well. But you people are there, you are waiting for one mistake or the other. Some of you say, hey, he was too fast to come out. He was too fast. Did I hear you say he was too fast to come out? Oh, good to know, let that near you. You will talk that word. Good to know if it near you. No fit near you. Not me. Kassy. Maybe lion killer. Good to know if it near you for life. Now so bad thing that you go to see for your life. He was too fast. Once he could have at least stayed for 6 months before coming out. 6 months kill there. They say now, if Apostle Suleman no come out now, I'll say, he go ahead. Now me say, you know what happen. You know what talk. How they take they please you now? Word people. How they take they please you now? How they take they please you now? How they take they please you now? All of you who are here hating Apostle Joshua Suleman, let me tell you, we know why you hate him. He got no chop your yam. You hate him because God has alleviated him in the world. I go feel beat my chest. In the world right now, Apostle Joshua Suleman is the most traveled man of God in the world. Not be joke. He's the most traveled man of God. Is the only man of God who does crusade almost 2 to 3 times every month around the world. They jealous that kind of man. You want to fight that kind of man. I'm not saying like they pain una. Yes, now. Hey, una they use Nigeria and one side. The man has gone international. She said she go deal with Apostle Joshua Suleman. She said she go do everything. Make sure say Apostle Joshua Suleman go down. Yes, I think she has some questioning. She has some questioning to answer. She have to tell the Nigerian police when she meet that she want to take down Apostle Joshua Suleman. And now she don't send higher assassin to eliminate his life. Like I said, their plan complete. By now, people for the more papa, mama, children. Now this thing has to make person quiet. Anybody where they support this thing, be better for now. Anybody where they support this evil act, for you, for you to wake up. You can say the only best way to revenge is to take the life of your fellow man. You are a weak person. You can't pay people when they can't carry gun. Close range. Ask her if she no talk, say she want deal with Apostle Suleman. We get the video now. All the video where she take the ranks for social media. I will deal with it. Oh, Pomani, memory. Now maybe Muareen bad the job. I will deal with it. I will do this. You people have not seen anything. When I come, I'm coming with full force. I'm coming with this. I'm coming with that. When Muareen was making those noise, what did you people say?